Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe from Delray Customs, or Alan Ed's Autosound in Marina Del Rey. I'm here in my 2019 800A Raptor, which I will present to you guys in my next video. But this is a must-have, AutoStop Eliminator. In order to install it, you gotta snap off the center channel grill. It's got 2 clips. And then you'll have 2 7mm screws that are held into those speed clips. Right here, the AE003 is for the one large switch. So if you have this type of layout, you can squeeze your fingers in and then go ahead, plug it up. I'll actually do it with you guys on the video. So as you can see, there's a male, female. So the factory one will probably plug into here. Sorry, just trying to one-handed this. There you go, plugs right in. The release went towards the driver's side, and then you'll just tuck that away. And so what this will now do is retain the memory of the last setting I had, which would usually be off because I do not like this feature. So if you are not a fan of the start-stop, make sure you get one of these. If you're local in Los Angeles, I can either install it for you and or order it for you. But once again, this is Joe at Alan Ed's Delray Customs with an auto start stop.